Hey everyone, Laughing Shrimp here. We are going to make the simplest version of the sweet and sour sauce today. In Cantonese, it's called Tong Chou Zap. There are many variations that uses different fruits like sour plum, Chinese hawberry, lemon, and pineapple. Even the vinegar may have different variations. For the Western viewers who may not always have access to Asian ingredients, this recipe uses ingredients that you can find anywhere. When you cook this, make sure you're using stainless steel, ceramic, glass, or other non-reactive cookware. Most non-stick cookware are fine. Mix 50 milliliters of sugar, 80 milliliters of water, 20 milliliters of white vinegar, and 40 milliliters of ketchup, which is about 5 ketchup packets. On medium to low heat, stir and cook this until it thickens or gets reduced to about half. Taste and adjust for more sweetness or sourness to your liking by adding more sugar or vinegar respectively. If you don't plan on using this immediately, you can wait for the sauce to cool down a little bit and then pour it into an ice cube tray. Store this in the freezer and you can now have instant sweet and sour sauce anytime. Just heat it back up in the microwave afterwards. This is the same sauce that can be used to make sweet and sour fish, chicken, pork ribs, or anything you can think of. You can also use this as a dipping sauce for chicken nuggets or your favorite snacks. I hope you learned something useful and see you all next time. Bye.